where everyday things come to life.
Hey, squeeze me gently, okay? Before I freshen your smile, let me tell you my minty secret. I didn't start as toothpaste. I was a bunch of strange ingredients living separate lives. One day they mixed us all together. Chaos. But minty chaos. Then came the flavor. Mint joined the chat. And everything felt fresh. Ever wondered about my stripes? Yeah, those are added very carefully. They sealed me inside a tube. Cozy, dark, and a little squishy. Toothpaste tubes lined up on a bright store shelf. Spotlight on one tube. Shallow depth of field. And then, squeeze. Freedom at last. I went to war with plaque and germs. Minty soldier mode. On. Teeth shining. Breath fresh. Mission complete. I may be squeezed every day, but I help you smile brighter.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next diary.